Direct replacement. This headlight switch knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This knob is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Cost-effective, has similar performance to part that originally came on vehicle, but is priced far below getting replacement from dealership. Universal fit. Made of plastic with chrome finish. Limited lifetime warranty. This headlight switch knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Headlight switch. I bought it for my '79 Dodge D150 truck due to the switch needing a longer knob. This one was too long but was easily cut to the correct length. The only issue I had was that the bezel the headlight knob switch rod went through was too small and I had to drill the bezel, but overall it was an easy install and works great now.